Hello, Ate Jam. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best, Ate Jam. Keep safe always and God bless. And more birthday to come. Enjoy sa birthday. At sana hindi ka magbago, Ate Jam, na mabait, matulungin, sumusuporta. Ayan. Happy birthday, Ate Jam. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Ate Jam. Happy birthday, Ate Jam. Enjoy your day. Bye. Love you.
Happy birthday sa'yo, Jam. More birthdays to come. Enjoy mo yung iyong kaarawan. At maging happy ka. At sana dumating na yung blessing na hinihintay mo. At more blessing to come. At happy birthday uli. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday, Jam.
Hi, Jam. Gusto ko tang batiin ng happy birthday kasi nga birthday mo naman talaga ngayon. Alam kong birthday mo. I hope your birthday is being nice, really happiness, and more blessing to your birthday, because the birthday is really happy to celebrate. Si Jam kasi na every time I see her in the lives, I was tell her that happy birthday every day. And Jam, kahit na hindi tayo really close, and you being part of my heart, sa mga konti lang talaga ang mga naging kaibigan ko talaga sa YT, pero you're the most beautiful I ever seen. Kahit na hindi ko pa masyadong nakakita yung faces mo, pero actually I was seeing you in the other faces video. So you're beautiful. Enjoy your birthday, and don't forget to blow the candle and wishing birthday cake to be a happy birthday. Happy birthday, Jam. I love you. Ikaw lang yung nag-iisa kong kaibigan.
Hi, Jam. Happy birthday. I love you. God bless you. Wish you all the best. Sana and good health. Sana magka-baby na kayo ng happy mo ngayong darating na birthday. Masarap may baby, Jam. Happy birthday ulit. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. I love you. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo.
Happy birthday sa Queen ng Marites ng community namin, Jamila Ali. Ayan, wish ko sa'yo good health. Sana magka-baby na. At sana lalaki pa yung bahay mo. At sana wag kang magbago sa amin. Again, happy birthday, Jam. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Mama chup. Love you, Jam. Thank you so much. Thank you talaga sa lahat ng tulong. Thank you.
Hello po sa lahat. Happy birthday sa'yo, Sisi Pretty Jam. At syempre, ang wish ko sa'yo ay good health, more birthdays to come. Ingat ka lagi at sana marami pang taon na magkakasama tayo sa YT. I love you, Sisi. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, Jam. More blessing to come and more kulitan to come. Ingat ka palagi kahit saan ka punta. Yun lang. Happy birthday again.
Hello po sa lahat. Mega shout out po sa inyong lahat. I'm here to greet our very best, our very own, Madam Jamila in Bahrain. I feel so happy to have you in my life, in my channel. And thank you so much for always helping me. Hope your birthday is as amazing as you are. I'm sending you my best wishes, a lots of happiness, good health, enjoy in your life, and a lots of blessing from heaven above. Take good care of yourself, and I love you, Madam Jamila. Para ka ng anak ko, ganon. At saka, kung may kailangan ka, kung ano man ang problema, kung meron akong maitutulong, alam mo naman, nandito lang ako. PM is the key. Enjoy your birthday. Happy birthday. Thank you.